Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Outdoors with Dummies. We're gonna do a little small game hunting today. We're gonna go have some fun and do some squirrel hunting. I brought my little boy. So hey, Keaton.
Hey.
And what we're gonna do, guys, is Josh, he's gonna come out here and meet up with us, and we're gonna see if we can knock down some squirrels and just have a little fun today. We'll catch y'all out there. See ya. You good, little buddy?
Yep.
You tired yet?
No.
All right, because we've only went about 60 yards from the truck, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's keep walking. Which one? Here, let me see. Oh, there went your sock. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You ready to keep trucking?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Haven't this photo around here?
Look, thumbs up. Thumbs up. All right, come on. What is that? Is that a Bigfoot? My God, if that's not a Bigfoot, that's a big human being right there. Let's go check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, it is in fact not a Bigfoot. It's just Josh. Keaton, did we find him? We found him? All right. Hey man, where'd you get that hat from?
Man, I don't know. I found it, and then my wife, I wore it upstairs before we were leaving, and she said, "Why are you wearing that hat?" And I was like, "Keeps my head warm." And she said, "Well, you gonna scare all the damn squirrels away because you look like you're wearing a cousin on the head."
All right, guys, we just got back to the truck. We were out really scouting and trying to find a good area to go squirrel hunting today, but we didn't really find anything. We did more walking than anything, but we're gonna get back after it again tomorrow, and we'll definitely knock a couple down tomorrow. Yeah, Keaton's gonna bring his gun out tomorrow too, but we're gonna knock a couple down tomorrow for sure. But we're gonna get after it, and we'll see y'all then. All right, guys, we're back, round two. We're gonna go out here and take a seat. Right now it's just me and Keaton. Say hey, Keaton.
Hey.
And we're gonna go out here and see if we can't get it done. See y'all out there. We got him, Keaton.
Let's go.
He's down. Hang on, we don't have to leave yet, okay? Alright guys, so we are now on day 3, I believe, of the small game hunt. We were able to knock down a couple of squirrels on day 2, but unfortunately our camera did not record those. So we're gonna go back out there. I think Josh is gonna meet us out there, and I think Derek was supposed to come today too, but I think something came up with Derek. So but we're gonna get out there and see what we can't do. We're gonna go out to a new public land and see what we got. We'll catch y'all out there soon. All right, guys, we made it out here into the area that we're gonna hunt today for small game. It's gonna be a pretty good day, man. We got our brand new UX complete PCP gun out here. It's 22 caliber. Don't mind the blood on here from the other game that we've been able to retrieve the past couple of days. But this gun is an absolute Cadillac of a rifle, and it is just out of this world. We are going to do a tutorial and give y'all a full review on it, but it does take a full air tank in there, a very specific air tank, and then of course you have a degas and screw and everything else. But this rifle right here is a 22 caliber small game knocking down machine, guys. But we're going to take it out there today and see what we can do, and we'll see y'all out there soon. See ya. Well, look who decided to show up today. All right, guys, we're gonna get our rifle and get ready to head out into the woods. See you guys out there. Hey Josh, you want to hear a funny story about this creek?
Yeah, man, tell me.
So a while back, me and CJ were coming out here. We were gonna hunt this muscadine field over here, right? And I told CJ, I said, hey man, stay over to this side because it's a lot more shallow. And I walked across the creek. I heard a splash behind me. I turned around. This man went to the opposite side, and that's about 3 foot deep right there. And the man was laying in water. I asked him if he was all right. It was cold. It was cold as shit that morning. And he said, yeah, he got up. But then I tend to look up in the trees, and there was hunters everywhere in here, dude. Phone lights everywhere. So everybody done saw that man, and I felt so bad. Some embarrassing shit, and it wasn't even me that fell in this creek. So,
Damn it, man.
hey man, so don't walk that side, go this way.
Don't stay on this side of it.
Yeah, just walk through here. It's safer, man. It is kind of pretty though, ain't it? Get up there.
That's a good fucking question.
Somebody had to
There's a little
climb
skull
it.
next to it.
Oh yeah, there is. That's so weird, ain't it?
Bro, it's bad omens. I don't like this. You ever watch Congo?
No.
That's how it starts.
But you know, somebody had to climb that. That's insane though. And that's straight up, ain't it?
I take a picture of that.
Wow. That's insane. Oh, dude, Josh. That's a pair of titties in between the skulls, too.
Yeah?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, yeah, it is. Where the meth boards hang out.
It's a nice set of titties, too.
Yeah, keep good circles.
I say we go across to those hard oaks. You know what I'm saying? See if you fall through.
I'm good.
Yeah, I think what we do, there's nests there. I say, so it's really thick over here. I almost say we get over there on some of that flat land and just put our back up against the tree. There's gotta be some squirrels come through here. See what happens. All right, guys, we didn't have any luck here, so we were gonna go out here to a different area and go try it out here, but we were heading back down the trail trying to go towards a different location now. So when we get to a new location, guys, we will we'll see y'all back out there and we'll get after it. See you guys. He's right on the backside of that tree. Did you see him? I'm gonna sneak over to it, okay? That was crazy to me. That thick stuff now. I see him. I can't get a shot on him. Can you see him? Hey Josh, step right here. He's behind the tree. Hey, if you step right here, you might be able to get around some of that thick stuff. Go to your right. Go over this way. Oh, there he is.
I see you, bitch.
Think you hit him.
Got him.
Oh yeah, I see him flopping. Shit, he's trying to run. Just squirrel from earlier that he shot and killed. Gotta make sure it's still not alive or anything, but I think we're good.
Should be some one.
It is still breathing a little bit. I just give him a second, he'll die off. Not bad. Looks like a male from here.
Yeah. Alright, man. Welcome to Outdoors with Dummies.
Let's go clean this bad boy. Nice. Good shot too, man. Looks like it went right through his front shoulder, through his chest. Nice. It's a good one. Decent size too, man.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it done. Alright guys, so we just got Josh's squirrel all processed and cleaned up and everything's looking good. We did have to take off the front shoulder because the bullet did just obliterate the front shoulder. Here's the two squirrels that I killed yesterday. And then here's Josh's one right here. So pretty good day. For it being Josh's first squirrel kill, we are preserving the skin for him. So we have salt on it. We have it pinned up against the board. We're gonna let it dry out for a few days and see it cure. But we're gonna let y'all see us vacuum seal the actual squirrel. So we're gonna go ahead and just grab them. We're gonna put them on in here, just like that. We're gonna get all the water out of the seal. All right, so you put it right inside there. Make sure it's nice and fanned out. All right, so we're gonna do wet, thick, boom.
Pulls that moisture straight out.
Pulls it straight out of it. We're gonna get a good seal there. It's almost done. I hate that the camera wasn't rolling when we got the other two, but you know, it is what it is. There's always more squirrels, right, Josh?
Always.
There's always more. So it's finishing it up now. Hopefully it gave us a really good seal on it. It's got a beep when it's done. There it is. And it's good. Just push that blood out and we will wipe that up here in just a second. But there it is, guys. Vacuum sealed, ready to go. We got 3 in the bag for the weekend and hopefully many more to come. But guys, that is going to conclude this series with Outdoorsy Dummies for the squirrel hunt, the small game hunting. We are going to get y'all a review on that new PCP air rifle. It is pretty sweet, but we're going to get y'all a review on that. But Josh, you got anything to say, man? You got anything to cover?
No, you got it. You got it covered.
Rest in peace, Mr. Squirrel.
Rest in peace, squirrel. Sorry, buddy.
All right, guys. Well, until then, appreciate y'all. Peace out. See you next time.